time for Friday night. Feel the calm inside the moonlight. Let your feet go meet the tide. It's so impeccable, the vibes are perfect, yeah. My money's still green, but I want it blue. What a master gotta do to go and change the hue. Got some business, if you was choosing. They're looking at me like I'm on a menu. A master, feeling good or feeling blue. Don't know, should I ask you? And if you say good, where do we rendezvous? And if you say blue, where do we rendezvous?